Before go to new section, I want you to review some property. The first one be definition of quadrilateral. Can you provide definition of quadrilateral? And then please give some example about the quadrilateral, okay? And I hope your answer may be similar to this answer. So quadrilateral is the four-side polygon. Yeah. Example like square, rectangle, parallelogram, and so on. And another question, what is a line of symmetry? Can you provide definition of line of symmetry? Yeah, please try to answer. Okay, and I hope your answer be the same. It's almost the same like this. The line symmetry can be defined as the axis or imaginary line that pass through the center of the shape or object and divide it into identical halves. Okay, the line symmetry must be passed through the center of the shape. And one more case is divide into identical half. So I have two cases. One pass through center and two divide into identical half. Okay. It's called line symmetry. So next is the step of warm up. So I want you to draw the following quadrilateral and consider the line of symmetry. The first one, please draw kites and consider the line of symmetry. The second one is arrowhead. And the third is isosceles trapezium. And the fourth one, parallelogram. And the fifth one, rhombus. And the sixth, rectangle. And the seventh is square. Okay. I hope you have been learned this kind of quadrilaterals in the lower primary school. Okay. Like kite, arrowhead, trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square. Okay. Just try to do it for a moment. And then we will go to our section which led to the quadrilateral. Okay. So, kite or arrowhead. This one is arrowhead. This one is kite. So for the kite, it has line symmetry 1. Its AC is line symmetry. So when it's line symmetry, it divides the kite into two equal parts. So then it makes the two triangles be congruent. The triangle ABC and triangle ADC be congruent. Okay. And the point B and point D be symmetric point with respect to the line AC. So we can make conclusion the line BD or the side BD or diagonal BD is perpendicular to diagonal AC. Okay, this one. So the property for the kite, since you see that the two triangles are congruent, so we obtain this side equal this side. Okay, it's like that. AB equal AD, and the side BC equal the side CD. Yeah, because of the congruent triangle. And then one pair of angle are equal. So it means one pair is angle B and angle D are equal. Yeah? Because the triangle are congruent, so we obtain this angle and this angle equal. And the next two diagonal are perpendicular. So AC equal BD because B and D be the symmetry points with respect to the line AC. So BD must be perpendicular to AC. And diagonal bisects a pair of opposite angle. The diagonal here, it divides one diagonal. So one diagonal be bisect the opposite angle. This means AC be a bisector of angle A and also bisector of angle C. Okay, so you obtain angle BAC equal angle CAD, and angle BCA equal angle DCA. Okay, it's like that. So go to next quadrilateral. So you know this shape. You look at this. This symbol is mean equal. Okay, and this also equals. And this also equal. So this is called isosceles trapezium. Yeah, isosceles trapezium. So we try to tell the teacher that where is the line of symmetry. You know? You can find line of symmetry, then you will find some properties about the trapezium, isosceles trapezium. Okay, so the line symmetry is HY. Okay, you correct? HY. So because you see the size equal, and the size equal. Okay, so we say HYB line symmetry because the line also perpendicular to the line AD and perpendicular to line BC. So by this symmetry, you will obtain one pair of parallelogram sides are parallel. Okay, so the side AD and the side BC are parallel. The side AD is called small base, and the side BC is called big base, are parallel. Number two, one pair equal size. So the size AB equal the size BC, DC. Yeah, because HY be the line of symmetry. So when you fold this shape, the side AB and the side DC will be coincide, so equal. The next two pair of equal angle. This is the same when you fold this shape, you will obtain the vertex A and vertex B will be coincide, and the vertex B and vertex C also coincide. So the angle A and angle B equal. Okay, angle B and angle C also equal. So this one. Okay, next we go to parallelogram. This one parallelogram. When we put the symbol, it means parallel. This is the same parallel. So AD parallel BC, AB parallel DC. Okay. So when we rotate 180 degree clockwise, then we obtain the below figure. And we look below figure is the same like the figure, but the difference is vertex. But vertex B coincide with vertex D, so it means the angle equal, and vertex C B coincide with vertex A, so that means the angle A equal angle C. Okay, so we seen parallelogram had rotational symmetry of order 2, and the center about the center of parallelogram. This is called the center. And for the symmetry, we cannot use diagonal with the line of symmetry. I think you should draw the line that pass through this point, and then you draw the line that parallel to AD, so it can make a line symmetry. And another line be the same. You draw one line pass through O, but parallel to AB, so that is another line symmetry. So when you have two lines of symmetry, then the order of symmetry is 2. This for rotation, and the second rotation we obtain original figure, this one. Okay, so the property is that the parallelogram, the opposite side are parallel and also equal. Okay? So AD and BC parallel, just and equal. Because if you look at this one, these two figures, you will see that the side AD and the side BC be coincide. so we can say parallel and also equal. And the same for DC and BA, be equal and side. Yeah. And the next ones, the opposite angle are equal. So the angle A equal angle C. Why angle A equal angle C? Because this one angle A. So when you rotate it 180 degree, we obtain the figure. So the angle C be coincide with angle A. So that's why it equal. Yeah. And the diagonal bisect each other. It means the center of parallelogram, we obtain the distance OD equal OB and OA equal OC. That means O be the middle part, be the middle points of the diagonal, of the two diagonal. Okay. And next, please guess the shape. It is what? Let's see, all the sides are equal, in diagonal are perpendicular. Yeah. So we say rhombus. So rhombus has two line symmetry, which are its diagonal. So their diagonal be line of symmetry. Yeah. So it has two line of symmetry. So number of rotational symmetries are the two. That's all the two. So we have property all sides are equal. Yeah, all sides are equal. And two pair of equals angle. So two pair of equal angle is mean angle A equal angle C, because BD be the line of symmetry. So the opposite angle equal. And AC also line symmetry. So angle D equal angle B. Yeah. And one more, two diagonal are perpendicular bisector. You see this part will be perpendicular, but also point O be the midpoints of the two diagonal. So it's mean OA equal OC, OB equal OD. Okay. And the last one, diagonal bisects a pair of opposite angle. So the like this part, this diagonal be the bisector of this angle D. So this angle equal this angle, and this angle equal this angle. But this angle also equal this angle. This is the same. This angle equal this angle, and this angle equal this angle, and each angle here be are equal. Okay. So the diagonal bisects a pair of opposite angle. And next we go to the rectangle. So this be a rectangle. The number line symmetry is 2. And this one be a square. The number of line symmetry also 2. So we say that rectangle has two lines of symmetry, and it possesses rotational symmetry of the two, because it two line symmetry. Then it has all property of parallelogram and also all angle or right angle. So all angle or right angle and the property of rectangle be the same as the property of parallelogram. So please try to write down by yourself. So first you write down the property of parallelogram, and you put one more case that all angle equals 90 degree. This means angle A equal angle B equal angle C equal angle D, okay, equal 90 degree. Then go to the square. So the square have four lines of symmetry. You look at this one, this line, you see this one with half, yeah? And then choose this line, we also have. So we have four lines of symmetry. The number of rotational symmetry also 4. So its property, it concludes all the property of rectangle and rhombus, because rhombus all the sides are equal, but rectangle all sides are equal. Okay. So squares must conclude rectangle and rhombus. So if you can write property of rectangle, I think you can write also the property of square. So the two quadrilateral, please write property by yourself. And then go to the step classwork. So please solve exercise in page 253 and 254. So the first exercise, you do exercise number 2 in page 253. Okay. And the second one, you do exercise number 3, but you do only exercise E, exercise F, and exercise H. So in page 254. If you have anything do not understand, please ask your teacher. The teacher will explain you through the Google Classroom. Okay. So thank you for your pay attention, and I hope you enjoy listen my explanation and enjoy solving the problem here. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.